Uh-oh. Huh.
Yep. You don't want to check and see? Now, would you want to just take one reading? How many readings should you take? A minimum of 3, right. Because the more data, the more reliable. Okay. So what are we at in the centimeter readings on the side? About 20? So anything less than 10 is poor. Between 10 and 30 is fair.
The second, third one down.
And anything between 30 and 60 is going, I've got a sheet for you, by the way. Anything between 30 and 60 is going to be good, right? Anything above 60 is going to be really good. So,
But you just go with 60.
yeah, this just goes to 6. So if you look down in there and you can see it at 60, it's above 60, you've got some good water up there. Or clear water, not necessarily good. Is this the only reading that you would take to determine whether or not this was a high quality water body? Or a healthy ecosystem, I guess is a better way of putting it. So 20, let's see, what is 20? It's fair.
Okay, who forgot to take a shower? That vulture's circling a lot. Somebody didn't bathe very well.